Hi, this is Kiyoki, CEO at Participant. I want to give a few of the things we've learned from our crowd investing campaign on Wefunder. So first of all, what we hear from investors on Wefunder versus kind of mainstream investors is pretty different. On Wefunder, we hear things like, our grandchild has cerebral palsy and we see how this product can go off-road and so is so versatile. It's wonderful, even just the way that you're selling it. And then from investors, we hear things like, wow, your team is really experienced, and your product and your market knowledge shows a lot of deep understanding. We'd like for you to get back to us when you have $500,000 in revenue, and we'll be excited to get behind your company. So yeah, we can't do that because we're a medical device company and you need to make the product. It costs a lot before you get the first dollar in revenue. So we understand actually that there are a lot of impact investors that would like to be getting into the assistive products and disability space. But because it's pretty new, it's really difficult for them to do the due diligence and know, if our customer list is that significant, or if our plans for manufacturing and going to market are really solid. They don't have anything to compare to. So so we're really grateful for Wefunder. It's been great to go to the crowd. And here's a couple of notes on just what we've done and how we've been able to get this far. So first, networking. So we've got about 387,000 that's come in so far. That's 187 on Wefunder, and $200,000 checks. So 16% of that is from people that we knew before we got started, and then all the rest is from networking, and about 20% has come just from the Wefunder crowd. So the takeaway there is, like, networking is hugely important. We didn't start the Wefunder campaign until we had 100,000 in really solid commitments just for that campaign. And this is something that everybody told me was important before I started, and it's just it can't be stated enough. There's like friends of friends of friends, or people that I met at a conference who introduced me to someone who I did a call, and then introduced me to somebody else, and they've come in for 20 grand on the campaign. So yeah, hugely important. The second is build it and they will come. So early on, we spent like quite a lot of founders' cash. We've made these products before. We really believe in them, but it still, feels like a huge risk to bootstrap and spend our own money. But then we've got a prototype that we can demo, and we've got a something that we can show to customers and get feedback on, and that's just been great. Show the customers, and then they want to come on board. Then you can talk to investors about customers coming on board, and that creates a really great cycle. And then the last thing is, that I'll say here, there's more below, is hit the road. So we've spent quite a lot of time and some cash on traveling. And that's important because we can get the product out in front of actual customers and get their feedback. So we're on prototype number 9 now. And so each time we're able to collect a big bunch of feedback, make a lot of changes, take it back out again, get some more feedback, and then see that the product market fit is hopefully really great. There's a few more tips below, and also one of my favorite articles. And the last thing I'd mention is that if you haven't been to our Wefunder, please jump over there. And if you're one of the many who are in for $100 or $200, please consider doubling down or 10x or more. I thank you so much to Wefunder and to all of our crowd investors out there. We're excited to be doing this with you.